you will start again 5 years from now. And then, knowing you, you will regret. Then say, oh, I heard. What did you hear? You heard, but you never understood. Therefore, you did not hear. Because had you heard, you will build this, my friend. You will reach out and feel proud, noble, that reaching out, touching the lives of another who is praying at home, God, show me a way. I'm in pain. And here you are with the opportunity, you sit and in front of the TV wasting time. All it takes is 2 years. What's the problem? Because why? Comfort zone. Once you get into the comfort zone, that's it. You sit there and you may rot unless somebody come and kick your behind. You'll rot there for 20 years, not move, not change, thinking, wah, balle balle. Balle balle in my language means wah. I'm sure you know what I'm trying to say. And there got to be an angel flying coming to you and sting your behind. Let me tell you a story. A farmer sitting on the parapet of his farm, nice parapet, rocking away on his rocking chair, enjoying the beautiful breeze and a sunny day, nice, cooling, winds blowing. And on the side there is his dog sitting. You know, kind of curled down, long ears one side, the tail once in a while wagging. Every now and then, the neighbor's son would come and visit this gentleman on his rocking chair and say hi and so on. Every now and then, this dog sitting there would do, "Ow!" Yowling dog. The dog is known. And this time, out of amazement, this little young man asked the guy, why every now and then this dog is "Ow!" yowling away. Slowly, the farmer who's sitting rocking away said, he's sitting on a nail behind. But the nail is not long enough, so it doesn't hurt the dog that much for it to move away. So every now and then when the thing hurt a little bit, "Ow!" but it's still there. Then, "Ow!" it's still there. It doesn't hurt hard enough for it to move away. That's how we are. The boss comes to your desk, carry the file, here, "Ow, ow, ow." You say, I'm going to kill this boss, man. Huh? But the next day, you come, It doesn't hurt that hard enough. Still there, 15 years, 20, 30 years, excuse me, you want to enjoy good retirement? Hey! You want a job? For the one who wants a job will always be for you. Just over broke, the job will be there for you.